So I'm at what's called the lineup at North County Mall, and so I made the trek down to Escondido, and it's a kind of a car show, private event, unveiling the whole 9.5 yards. So I guess this group or company called the lineup hosts these like kind of car meets once a month, and I'm happy to check it out. It's my first time down here. It's a beautiful day. It's hot, but not too shabby overall. So let's go take a look. They got cars on the outside, as you can hear and see, and they got amazing cars on the inside, practically supercars. SD Exotics is here, whole bunch of car crews. So we're gonna check it out. I have to be very careful filming inside because it's technically private property. So I'll try to get some like snippets inside. But hey, glad to be here. Brought the S2000. Let's go take a look. This was the deepest crew so far. Big old Mustang crew. Let's take a look. San Diego Mustangs. Nice. Oh, and when I take some filming inside, they got a 2024 Mustang in there too. It's legit. I like this color, yellow. Oh, that's pretty cool. Boba Fett. Yeah, these guys roll deep. I love it. Ooh, like this wrap. Sparkly. Shiny. Ooh, yellow. I love this one. Legit. Peach. I like peach. So yeah, this is the deepest crew so far. Looking good. Got the Corvette gang. Mean fitment. Dang. Lots of aero for like downforce. Wide body Civic. Actually doesn't look too shabby. It's pretty good. Love the interior. Yeah. Red on red on red. Yeah, this one's nice. Ooh, the Battle Arrow. Hey. Yeah, not too bad at all. Oh, GR Supra jelly. This one's beat. This one's seen some track time for show. Looks good. GT86 on the floor. Dump it. Camber gang. Oh, battle scars. Euro clean. Black on black. Love black on black. We got Kia gang, SD Exotics, Overdue, and Ichiban was kind enough I can park right next to him. Whose Honda 2000 is this? Dude, you guys gotta check this out. Okay, so in the back, nothing too crazy. Inside, pretty cool, pretty cool. Harness bar, some electronics. Love the seats. Not too shabby, but check this out. See-through hood. So freaking cool. Love that. Freaking love it. Super clean 280Z. Modern yet still classic. Nice. Super legit. Very clean. Very, very, very clean. Oh, look, he has a spinner thing on there. His car has his car. This one's going to happen in Long Beach. That's too far for me. Supra. Mean old Works. Where are those Volks? He has a Work banner. Yeah, Work Emotions. Nice. Scatty Patty. CRX. Dang. Big old Honda gang. Lightweight. Big wing gang. Clean interior. Nice. Love this Rex. Lexo gang. Super shiny. Nice looking. Love it. Beautiful Corvette, old school. I like it. I love all this space to work on your car. That's the best. Pop-up headlights, hot girl. Can't play this too long or I gotta cut out the volume. Looks nice. Beautiful Corvette. I had these guys shine my car up. They did a good job. Dodge Crew. Nice. Dude, not gonna lie, this Bronco is mean. Oh, I like the skid pack. Man, this guy knows how to set up for a car show. Dude. I gotta send this to Soto and Yanni. Well, no backseat passengers in this one. This is impressive. Carbon fiber too? Dang. Dude, very, very impressive. So at 4:30, they're gonna unveil the car underneath. So these are the VIP showstoppers. Dang. Clean. Looks good. Devil. Oh, he's registered in Massachusetts. Right-hand drive, that's crazy. He has a Vertex steering wheel. Nice. Lethal Culture. I can't wait for their show in December. It should be pretty good. Sergeant at Arms. Inland Empire. Hey, that's what I mean. Spidey Man. It's cool. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Chrysler. This is when like Mercedes still owned them. Cool. Alright, so I have to be very careful recording inside. Make sure I don't get many people out here. But again, beautiful Corvette. Regular Corvette, not a Z06, but nonetheless very beautiful. Love that blue. I'm not a huge fan of blue. My high school colors were blue, but I love this blue. And there it is, the new Mustang 2024, dude. Dang, dude. Honestly, it looks really good in person. Not gonna lie, the interior is fantastic. Good job, Ford. I know a lot of people are hating on it, so I like it. I'd love to see under the hood, but there it is, 2024 Mustang. Dang, supercar, McLaren, beautiful. Gonna miss it, man. Supercar suspects. He's going legit now. Dang, 720S. Dang. What's this one? Oh man, I gotta watch copyright. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Best one displayed. Looks so cool. Wow, look at the inside. Comics. Amazing. So cool. Great display. Love it. Here's your supercar. Dang. Thing is perfect. Lamborghini. So slick and smooth. It's a beautiful car. Artisan wide body. Oh, you got some stickers made. Nice. I gotta put stickers out there. He had Elon Musk's autograph. That's awesome. I don't know if you saw that. Man, the BBS are mean. Legit. GTR. Mean GTR. Crazy. Nice. Red Dragon. Dang. Big old subs, man. Like the inside are like show cars for show, man. These guys put their heart and soul into it. Look at the way the hood. That is crazy. And very impressive. Very, very impressive. Huracan, exotic driven. It was a drop top too. Nice. SD car service. That'd be the only way I could afford servicing one of these, dude. Honda gang. Honda, LA Lakers. He loves his Lakers. Black Mamba. That's nuts. Dude, look at this backside. It has all the championship rings. I'm sure they're replicas, but so impressive. That's so cool. Dude, this is like my favorite one. I'm not a Lakers fan. I love this one. Great concept. Dude, I lust for one of these, man. Oh, he's visiting from Montana. I love the way this car looks. Love, love, love. Too bad it's a Mercedes, unreliable, but dude, amazing looking car. Oh, excuse me, you gotta protect your car. You don't want anyone all up on it. Beautiful wide body, tandem kit. On the Infinity, yellow too. Oh wow, we got more and more cars. They even moved a couple of cars. Nice. I'll have to go take a look. I love this. Great. I bet the spectator parking lot's gonna have some great cars too. And another great view of all the show cars. I love it. Such a great turnout and such a great location at the mall. Just a random McLaren just chilling right here. Dang. Dry carbon. Looks good. Love this orange color. These guys trust 60DS. These guys trust a lot of people to just leave their car right here chilling. And the car show is brought to you guys by this group, The Lineup. Wow, they got a full-on store. The Lineup, second floor, Escondido Mall. Baby blue McLaren. Man, again, I just love the sports car look. Amazing. Chassis mounted wing. Fantastic car. Nice. Love it. Alright, enjoyed some time inside the mall. Didn't get in trouble for anything, so that's good. Mitsubishi, dude. Yeah, that's good. I like this spot because you can go in the mall, do some shopping, hang out in the AC. But again, beautiful cars out here. Ooh, let's go see the Miata gang. Dude, this one's crazy. Great show cars came out today. 5.0 Coyote. Wide body too. Good. Pusha. Dang, with the Recaros. So lightweight. Dang, HREs. Crazy. The Hulk. El Hulk. Charger RT. Dang. Crazy. Miata gang. Dang. Beautiful. Jelly. Oh, he cut off his wheel. People like that. That's the style. Crazy. Look, he's visiting from Montana. Type R. Oh. Went inside the dining hall, got a lot of work done, and then I come out and look at it again. Lots getting full. Lots of good people. We got vets out west. Love these guys. I had a couple of their interviews too. I'm gonna probably move my car because I know they want the spot. They want to get the DJ set up. I don't know if the DJ is gonna be up there or not, but either ways, I think got to get ready to go home, let the ratchet stuff happen. Beautiful yellow Supra, so jealous. Dang. Crazy. A big super sucker. GT3 RS. Dang. So nice. That's a beauty. 240 gang with the lazy eyes, S13. Jealous. Super clean, looks good. Kept it clean, kept it going. The VIP, yo. Dang. Legit. Inspired car crew, nice. Well, I had a good time, honestly, and I know if I were to stay later that they'd have a lot more stuff and a lot more cars going, but I can't be here all full 8 hours. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I got the essence of what this show is like. And again, it was a fantastic show. We got a VIP section out here, great cars in the mall. I mean, this is such a unique experience. This is great. Super glad I went. I don't know if I would have stayed all 8 hours, but thanks again, Tony, for letting me park by you, for Ichiban Garage, and we'll take another gander next time at the car meets, car shows. Have a good one.